Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs in air fryer updated. Preheat your air fryer to 300 degrees F and use a heat-safe ramekin or silicone cup. Gently crack one egg into the cup, add a teaspoon of water, and cover with foil. Cook for about 6 to 8 minutes for a tender white and runny yolk. Use a spoon to lift the egg out carefully and serve immediately with salt and pepper. Seasoning and timing really matter when you make poached eggs in an air fryer. Lightly oil the cup or spray nonstick spray to prevent sticking. Crack the egg carefully and add a teaspoon of water to create steam for proper white setting. Cover loosely with foil to trap steam and avoid direct hot air on the yolk. Adjust cooking time between 6 and 9 minutes depending on your preferred yolk consistency. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy kitchen upgrades, consider comfy darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty for unbeatable daily comfort. They hold up through long mornings spent cooking and cleanup, and they make a funny but helpful companion to breakfast routines. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Serve poached air fryer eggs right away for best texture and warmth. Gently transfer the egg on a toasted bread, salad, or grain bowls with a slotted spoon. Add salt, cracked pepper, or a dash of vinegar for flavor balance. For meal prep, cool eggs quickly and store separately to reheat gently without overcooking. Experiment with cook times and ramekin depth to match your ideal yolk runniness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.